How to recover Excel file not saved or lost. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your Excel file was not saved or lost, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can recover that. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search for Microsoft Excel. Then click on this. Once you have opened Excel, click on the File option. Now, you want to click on Options at the bottom. This box is going to open up. From the left hand side panel, select Save. Now, you're going to find the option of AutoRecover file location. You will get a location over here. You will find your Excel files which are not saved or lost in this exact location. But for this, you have to make sure that you have checked the box that says Save Auto Recover Information and also keep the last auto saved version if I close without saving. Make sure that you check mark both of these options. If you have done that, then you want to open the File Explorer. Then you want to head over to this exact location over here. So in my case, it is inside C Drive, Users, App Data, then inside Roaming. Now click on Microsoft and then Excel. Now there is a folder that says Excel Start. You want to double click on that. Now any files which are not saved or lost will be found over here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.